Today I'm going to show you why you should not try to change the lock yourself and instead call the locksmith. First, I headed to the DIY shop and purchased a standard Euro lock. The keys to this lock are lost and I will attempt to break the lock and replace the lock. To get started, let us remove these two screws to loosen the handle. The handle is loose. That was remarkably simple. I saved the two screws and removed this side of the handle. Then I went to the other side and removed that handle to reveal what was inside. This is what you call an unorganized mess. Warning, do not try this at home. This is not recommended. Now, this was supposed to be the easy part. You know, apparently one or two good hits should be enough to snap the lock. But I don't know if this was a normal lock or what, but it just refused to break. In fact, I think it took almost 2 hours to break this lock. And what's worse is, I had a saw back the next day. Just as I was ready to give up, the lock snap, snap, snap. The lock did fall. However, there was still a piece inside. Removing this final fragment stuck in the lock chamber was an absolute pain. Clearing the chamber lock took so long. This was definitely the most difficult part of this task. It was a completely unexpected problem. I did not see anybody face this issue in all the tutorial videos I watched beforehand. I know you see the crack in the wall panel. Yes, that was me. Yes, it was a wild hammer strike. Finally, the lock chamber was clear. I inserted the new lock into the lock chamber and screwed it in, and then simply screwed back on the handles from before. Thankfully, we got a happy ending to this, but I don't think I'll be trying this again anytime soon.